Redneck Ruckers. Today we're on our way to Canada's Wonderland. We have Brian and Travis, Chelsea, Zachary, his daughter, and also Travis's brother coming with us on the trip. They all are bringing their own vehicles, so we are going to be traveling in separate vehicles. And apparently it seems like the rest of the guys have slept in. I do believe Zachary's already on the highway. Brian and Travis we can't get a hold of right now, so they will end up potentially meeting up with us. So yeah, stay tuned, watch the vlog, and you'll see how the rest of our day goes. Hey Redneck Ruckers! Hey, there's Zachary, and we are on the road trip. Zach had met up with us a little bit ways down the highway, cruising up. Oh yeah, so we're at the gas station, we got gas, we stopped, took a washroom break, we met up now, we're gonna head the highway again, and we're heading to Wonderland for an amazing day. Woo! Yeah! Stopped off the highway at the 214 traveling towards Toronto just after Parry Sound to get some Tim Hortons, and Zack and I had stopped. My wife is in the truck, his daughter's in the car, and the slow pokes of the morning, they're just leaving town, so they will catch up with us. We all will be together today. It's going to be a great day. Is it good? Breakfast for champions. Oh. Tim Hortons.
Are we allowed to advertise?
Yeah, we're.
That's advertisement. Okay. I don't know if we're allowed to do that.
Free advertisement this time. Free advertisement.
Sarah, get out of the car for a minute.
Yeah, we're taking a little walk down a trail. We stopped on a roadside scenic trail. And we're just stopping to check out the water.
Oh my God, it's an anaconda! Ah! Oh, nice echo. Echo! Woo!
That's funny.
It's awesome.
Yeah, the great Canadian outdoors. Look how beautiful that is right there.
Where you're meant to be.
Yeah. So, Wonderland. Woo! Okay, I'm leaving. Bye.
Come on, Sarah.
And she chooses to stay by the lake instead of Wonderland. On second thought, she decides to leave. We made it to Wonderland. Yay! So yeah, you'll see Wonderland's behind me. There's all Leviathan and
Woo! Wonderland!
Hey guys, we finally made it to our first ride. We're gonna do the Thunder Run at Canada's Wonderland. I got Zachary with me, and I got my wife with me right there, paying attention to her phone. And I got Sarah right here, all excited, ready to go, right the back of her head. Go! Woohoo! We're gonna go to Roots, okay? That was pretty insane. Are you ready, Zach?
I am Eddie. We are going to. I'm ready as Eddie.
Vortex.
This one's a little longer than the other one.
There we go. This is the drop.
Yeah.
Oh God. Holy Jesus. Hold on to your glasses, baby. Whoa. Holy
Have your eyes open up?
We made it!
Shut up! I don't want to hear it. Shut up! I don't want to hear it. What up?
What up? Howdy?
Where do we go for our bracelets?
Okay, follow us. We'll go get the bracelets.
Okay.
You're gonna have to hold on. Yeah, that's what you're gonna do next.
Look at the axes.
Oh yeah, do that one first. Do that one first, and then if you still want to do that one, we'll do it.
I'm not doing the axes.
No?
What up, man?
You having fun?
I just got here. Yeah!
You drove a whole 4 hours just to get here.
You know what? I was doing like $1.40, and it was great, and I was weaving out.
So how was it nice waking up at 8 a.m. this morning instead of 6?
You know what? I'm gonna hit you because of that.
On the wall there. And there's the hall. Ooh. Hey, Superman, how's it going? Hey guys, we're going to the Lazy Bear Lodge. We're gonna go have lunch. We're gonna check it out. Yo, we're gonna show you this building and how cool this new building is at Wonderland. I am so excited to eat in this place. Hey guys, so we had an amazing day at Canada's Wonderland. My fiance ended up getting really sick, so we have to leave a little early, but we also had an amazing day, so we're heading back home now at around 6 o'clock. It's the second day that Canada's Wonderland has been open. There's been a few rides that weren't functioning, so we had to, not go on those rides, but we have seasons passes, so we'll be back again. Yeah, and thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe.